Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our revolutionary day trading strategy to gain success in day trading. You should not be wondering, this is a new screen which you are seeing. We provide day trading support for crude oil in two ways. One, you will get a screen which shows in white color, and the second thing is this particular screen now you are watching, which shows in black color. The difference between the two are the white screen provides you multiple trade signals, that is for typical type of day traders who wants to frequently enter and exit the market. Probably it can provide you more than within 10 signals within a particular day, so always you can expect a trade signal from that strategy. Who wants to make use of minimum profit, and they want to trade frequently like jobbers in trading, so for them you can use that type of trading strategy. The white screen which we are providing for day trading support, but the rules and regulations which you are going to apply is going to be same for all the strategies. There may be minor changes. This particular charting platform which you are seeing is designed to provide only 2 or 3 signals per day. This is for a type of trader who want to position himself in day trading. We call it as a positional day traders. They try to enter into market in 1 or 2 entries. They want to make use of the entire daily price range, 20% or 30% of the daily price range. So for this type of traders, we had designed this particular charting platform. Now I will explain you how you should do that. As you all know that all the other things which you saw, this the band, 2 bands, green color line, but that you would have seen in black color. Since the background is in black color, we have changes to white color. That is the only difference. And the green lines and everything, the color and all the things are going to be the same. Now let us go back and see how you should have applied this strategy to gain success in day trading yesterday. That was on Friday. As you all know, whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Let's move on. So let us see that this is the particular area where the price opened. You can see this candlestick where the market opened on Friday. So what we do is that normally we had told very clearly, wait for the whenever the price is staying above this green line, wait for the one day you should take a buy call. You are not going to take any of this sell call. I am going to increase the scale. So you can see the price was staying above this green color line, so I am going to increase the scale. Only whenever we get a buy call, we will be entering into all the trade signals. If you get a sell entry, we are going to neglect it. So whenever the market whenever the charting platform provides a signal within this band also, we will be neglecting that. Any signal, even if it is a buy signal also, we are not going to consider that. Here you can see the market had provided a red color signal below the lower band. We are going to neglect that because our rule 1 states it very clearly. Only we are going to be a buy only guy if the price is staying above this green color moving average line. Now here we got a signal. One question many traders had asked us. See, we are only if you think that you get a signal above this line, if you get a signal above this upper band, you should take this as a confirmation call. What in this particular strategy which we are providing for positional day trading, we have a slight modification in the rules which we followed earlier. What we did was that earlier you would look at the length of the candlestick. To approximately half the length, you will be placing this order. Since this particular trading strategy is designed to produce signals, very few signals, you need not wait for that. You need not go for the same rule which we applied. that is, look at the length of the candlestick approximately to half the length. You need not once after getting a signal, you need not do that. For example, I am going to take this and I am going to explain this in detail. Please have a look into that. So once you get a closing above this upper band, any color, it may be red or it may be ash. Once you get a closing, so approximately if you would have got this blue color, just once the blue color candlestick closes, you can consider this as a valuable signal. So whenever the price closes or approximately it changes to blue color, you can consider this as a valuable signal. So again we are saying that you need not wait, look at the length of the candlestick and approximately to half the length. You need not do this type of research work in this particular strategy. We are saying only in this particular strategy you need not do that. But in the earlier case, for white color charting platform which we are providing, it is very mandatory for you to use that, apply that rule. But for this particular thing, only on seeing the change in color you can enter into the trade, if that satisfies the rule of staying above the upper band. So now you got a trade signal, you will be into this trade signal, and you would have made some sufficient profit. As we had told you earlier, you can modify your stop loss. Once you are into the trade signal, the stop loss zone, the rule for stop loss is going to be the same. Look at the previous candlestick, and below the previous candlestick low you can place your stop loss, and then increase the trail your stop loss according to the lower band. You see the lower band is keeps moving, so trail your stop loss according to the lower band, place your stop loss 2-3 points below the lower band and leave it. So you can follow this simple stop loss, trailing stop loss strategy, and you can see that after making some few profits, that depends upon the traders to book your profit. You may book it within a few points, or you can run the profit by trailing the stop loss which we had explained you. Now you will ask me another question here. If you see the particular case, like I told you, you need not wait for the candlestick to close and then come back. So that is a major reason we are saying that only if you see in the above the upper band, if you see any change in color of the candlestick, you can right away enter into the trade. Because this why we ask you to do that, because this particular charting platform, within a single candlestick itself, it can move 20-30 points. As you all know, these are not a time based candlestick formation. As you know that we had designed it and we had made program it in a different way to provide you accurate trade signal. So that is the reason why I told you earlier, once you get a clear confirmation above this upper band, you can enter into the trade. So you would have made some profit here, as earlier you would have made some profit. And again you can see where the market is providing you a red signal. We are not going to consider this, just because why, it's staying above the green line, so we may not be considering the red signal. Now you can ask me another question. So if the price is breaking this, how I will consider my trade? If the price is breaking this green line, where I will enter my trade and where I will place my stop loss? Just it is very simple to conclude that you need to have a single candlestick closing behind this green line, then you can consider this as a confirmation. If you find any this red color candlestick behind this, below this green color line, if you see any closing below this, you can consider this as a trade entry point. Your stop loss, no doubt, see the upper band 2-3 points above the upper band, place your stop loss. So this band will guide you, then trail your stop loss according to the lower band. You can see it had provided you enough sufficient profit. So now you can see in two types of signals which we had entered, both the signals and this signal also provided us a good profit. We will not be considering this signal, blue color signal. Why? Because it's below the green line, giving any signal against the trend. Only if it is below the green line, only we will be taking a sell call, we will be neglecting the buy call. So we are not going to consider this. You may ask me this simple question here. See, the price closed above the green color line and we saw a closing. Whether we can enter into this trade or not, just wait for the next candlestick to just cross this upper upper level, so that you can get a confirmation, because this if you see the length of this candlestick, right from 6442 it's moving up. So just wait for the price to cross this zone. If it happens in the next time, you wait for the price to break the top again, then you can enter into the trade. See, the market had identified a false candlestick. So again we got a signal here. Once you find a change in signal, as I told you, you need not do this mathematics looking at graphical visualization. You do not do half the length, and this type of rules is not applicable for this particular platform. Just by looking at the change in color, you can enter in this trade, and again you would have made some sufficient profit by following this simple strategy. You can trail your stop loss here. Don't forget to trail your stop loss. That can help you maximize your profit. Here we are not going to enter into this buy color trade because it's against our rule. This simple single spiked up candlestick also we will not be interested in positioning ourselves, since it has come near to the end of the market. Sorry, it is the next day, that was on Saturday, so we would have closed here itself. So this is one best way of identifying and entering into the trade by means of applying a very simple strategy. Now you would have seen this in this particular type of trading, where you will receive one or two signals, two calls every day, but everything is very valuable. By following this positional day trading method, you can avoid a lot of risk. Even if it provides one or two or three, that's all. The maximum it is designed to produce only 3 signals per day. It may not provide more than 3 signals per day. In very rare occasion it can provide you. So this is for different type of trader. The strategy which we explained earlier is for different types of traders. So don't confuse yourself. Please call us. We have one-to-one training session. We will tell you which strategy suits you, and we will explain you in detail. We have one-to-one training session. If you are our client, don't you just need to put an email to info@gwcindia.biz. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, or in our blog website, online commodity trading mcx.com. But if you are not our client yet, please open a trading account. Everything is free here. The charting platform, the signal providing, the revolutionary charting platform, free account opening, low brokerage, margin funding, and everything. You can see free training. This valuable free training is also for free. So kindly open a trading account with us and enjoy your trading. Trade like a pro. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.